Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday and we're on our way back to Portel Motors and get to the bottom of what's clacking and rattling. Sometimes, not now, because of course now she's alright, but there is definitely something wrong and we're going to check that out. The weather is really shitty. It was the same yesterday, so I stayed in the hotel for one night. I released a video and spent basically the whole day answering all your comments. It's so crazy what happened the last 2 weeks. So many new subscribers, so many comments. That's very, very awesome. Anyways, we have 1 hour and 13 minutes to go. What's this? Why can I not go here? I'll just do it. Nobody saw that. So we're gonna be there at 9:30. That's the same time we arrived last time. So I think that would be a good time. And then we start working. And of course, I'm gonna have you guys with me and show you everything. Because this is what this year is all about. I'm taking you with me. All the highs and the lows. Alright guys, let's get to Portal. Let's do this. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Alright guys, here's the deal now. Diogo reckons that it doesn't make sense to take apart the engine right now because to get parts here in Portugal would take at least 4 days now, and I would have to stay here 4 days, and that doesn't really make sense. I agree with that, so he reckons that I will come to Berlin. It will be fine. Anyways, they changed the oil now and they try to adjust, I think, the tensioner a bit. And yeah, this is what we're gonna do now. And yeah, we will be on our way again today. So let's see how it goes. It's a bit hard for us to communicate because they don't speak English, I don't speak Portuguese, so I just can let them do their thing. I'll just document it for you guys. I hope we're gonna be back on the road in a few hours. That's some merchandise. Okay. So what I think they're doing now is checking the valve, which is good. We'll see if it is any problem over there. I'm glad they're really trying to help me here, and they're really trying to get the Honda going again. That's really awesome. I have my own little mission here. The shoes here, I made a little hole in there and I just want to patch it up. It's weird to see the Honda like that. This is how we communicate. He's typing in Google Translator and then I'm typing back.
Google,
yeah.
Google, really nice.
Google connects the world, really. Putting it back together now, and then we get some fresh oil, and then we should be good to go. Right. Best oil. Anti-friction additive. Diogo says he uses this on his bikes and it's really good. So of course we put it in a Honda. Portel Moto. Like. Thank you so much. Awesome, man. Thanks so much. Goodbye. Goodbye, man. Ciao. Okie dokie. Oh, we're back. Goodbye. Almost 2 o'clock. So we have a few hours more to ride. So I would say we get some gas now. Alright guys, what a day. We are back on the road. Oh, so good, so good. Say goodbye to Portel, because this time we're leaving for good. I found a place to stay in Elvas. It's about 100 kilometers north from here, and we're gonna spend the night there. I cannot make so many kilometers anymore anyways, and that's a town I haven't been yet. Alright guys, let's do this. Man. Alright guys, you just heard it. It was there again, and now it's gone again. I thought we fixed it. Shit. Okay, now it's gone again. He told me that from the start that it could be also the tensioner broken, but if we would have opened up the engine, I would have been stuck for 4 more days over there, because they don't get deliveries fast. That's the problem. So yeah, I'll have to look into it in Berlin, so I have to make my way back home probably. Alright guys, see you back at the hotel. Alright guys, I'm in my room now, check it out. Good. Another bed. And bathroom. Totally okay. 25 euro. Oh boy, I was so excited when I was leaving the shop. It is definitely the cam chain tensioner. And Diogo told me that it might be the case, but yeah, we did try without opening up the whole engine, because I can't do that. I cannot stay here for another week without a bike, and it makes absolutely no sense. But we have new oil now, which is cool, that's good. And the bike is running, so now it's just a question if I go tomorrow, if I go back on the ACT, which I really think I shouldn't do with the engine like this, or I go straight back to Berlin, try and make it back and get the engine fixed at home. I'll have to sleep on it. I'll guys let you know tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, very important, and I'll see you tomorrow.